Diba? Napakaganda guys. Isa pa. What's up guys? So this is Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. At meron nga tayo ditong Yamaha Mio i125. At syempre mag-upgrade siya ng full exhaust. At itong napili ng ating client. Akrapovic burnt blue carbon tip with silencer yan guys. Nakasalpak na. Ito yung kanyang elbow. Pure stainless 304. Ayan. Quality yan guys. Okay? So from Calamba, Laguna. So dumayo pa dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna para sa ating muffler. Alright. Shoutout sa iyo Marcus, ating installer. Okay? So abangan yung finish output yan guys. Mio i125 from Calamba. Aerosel. Uy.
Moments later.
What's up guys? So this is Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. At ito na nga po yung finish output ng Yamaha Mio i125. At ang in-upgrade niya ay full exhaust. Ang kinabit natin dito ay Akrapovic burnt blue carbon tip. Alright, so sound check tayo with silencer. Yun. So may silencer yan guys. Ganito siya katahimik. Okay, isang rev noy. O diba? Napakaganda guys. Isa pa. Alright, so ganyan siya guys, napakatahimik niya lang so hindi lang siya para mag-ingay. So kapag gusto nyo mag-ingay, tanggalin nyo lang yung silencer. Ito yan guys, nakasalpak na siya. May bolt lang yan, basic. Maganda na ulit yung tunog, bass na bass yan guys. So ito yung finish output guys for Yamaha Mio tawag doon, Mio i125. Ayan guys, high mount siya guys with flat bar stainless yan guys. Okay, so yung client natin ay from Calamba, Laguna. So dumayo pa dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna para sa ating muffler. So guys, dito lang yan sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers, located at Metroville Subdivision of Pook, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Okay, so ayan guys, napakapogi